Sabi dito sa comment, grabe! Bakit kapag sinasabing sexually attractive, laging nauuwi sa sex lang agad ang iniisip ng tao? Diyos mio, andun na yung root word. The root word itself. Sex. What more do you want? Ano, iti-twist nyo na naman sa mga pa-woke na meaning like, oh, it's called confidence. No, it's not. People who want to be sexy means they want to be sexually attractive. How basic is that? Pati yung basic meaning ng words, pinapalitan nyo na just to what? Just to fit your narrative? Hindi ba pwedeng appreciation muna, admiration, or simply being drawn to someone's confidence, energy, or aura? Oh God! Woo! Hindi ko kinakaya. You're trying to gaslight us into following your narrative. Bakit? Kasi gusto niya lang kunin yung mga positive things na pwede niyong makuha sa pagiging sexy. Ano yun? Attention. Diba? Papuri. Diba? Free food. Free dates. Bayad, pera. And gusto nyong i-disassociate yung mga negative parts ng pagiging sexy or sexually attractive. Being sexually attractive doesn't automatically mean gusto mo ng sex or nag-iimbita ka. Sexually attractive na nga. Di ba, just me? Kaya ang daming functional illiterate sa Pilipinas dahil deny nila yung basic meaning ng mga words para mag-fit doon sa narrative na gusto nila. Para matwist nila yung totoong meaning at magamit nila sa pansarili nila. Nagpa-sexy ka tapos gusto mong ma-attract yung mga tao sa intelligence mo. Walang ganun. It's part of being human to be attracted, pero ibang attraction sa action. May respeto pa rin dapat. Ang pagiging sexually attractive, hindi consent. So let's stop equating everything to sex. Unless the word itself has the root word sex. Well, you can, of course. Diyos mio, Marimar. Hindi porket may appeal, ibig sabihin game na. Unless they are appealing, di ba? To your capability to be attracted to sex. Ang mahirap kasi niyan, alam na ng mga kababaihan kung paano gamitin ang sex to attract people and to feign innocence, thinking na hindi mapapansin ng mga tao that they are using sex to gain something from other people. Be it attention, be it money, be it kung ano pa man yung gusto nilang makuha doon sa tao by using sex as bait.
This is Pinoy Extreme.